Mrs. Martin. How dare you change Anna Yvette's voice to Ivy? That's it. I'm taking you to the hospital to get your gender swapped.
No, Mrs. Clementine. I don't want to get my gender swapped. I want to go to school and dealing with some classmates.
You are going to the hospital to get your gender swapped, and that is final. Now get in the car.
No, Dad. I don't want to be a girl. I just want to watch some YouTube.
Too bad. That's why you getting deleted your GoAnimate account. After you getting gender swapped, you will go to your room and stay here until you can behave.
Miss Martin. The doctor will be here shortly. The doctor is here.
Can you swap her gender? Because she changed Anna Yvette's voice to Ivy?
Okay.
Oh no. You swapped my gender. I'm now boy and my voice is now Steven.
Good. That's why you changed Anna Yvette's voice to Ivy.
Come back soon.